Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make grill burger. So without wasting time, let us start making it. Tikkis. So we want a boiled potatoes. Here I have taken 5 boiled potatoes. These 5 boiled potatoes are enough for making 4 to 5 tikkis. If you are making large size tikkis, then it will make 4 tikkis, and if you are making small, then you can make 5 tikkis. That's all about you. So let's start making. For that we need coriander leaves. To make celery, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 bowl of maida, 1 bowl of boiled fresh peas, breadcrumbs, and that's all. And spices that up to your taste. So start making tikki. For that, take boiled potatoes and mash it. Now take our peas. So here I am going to put half bowl of peas. These are boiled one, so there is no problem to mash them. So mash these potatoes. Now just add your spices. That 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of salt, that and up to your choice. So we will mix it together. So now mix it well. You can mix it well with a big spoon, or you can mix it well with the help of your hands. If you want to put some green chilies or onion, then you can also put onion and green chili also. So today I am making for the students or children, so they don't eat spicy, too much of spicy, so I am not adding green chilies. Now just add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Chopped 1 coriander leaves. So first of all, now we will make dough with the help of our hands. You can see that these potatoes are binding well, so we don't need to mix, put some maida or anything else. If your potatoes are not mixing well or not binding well, then you can just also add some these breadcrumbs also, or you can add some maida also. So we have made the shape. Now make sure that no crack will be there. Now you can take this chapati mat, or you can take chopping board also, and now make like this. Yes, you can see good shape and round shape is there. So we will make our all tikkis like this only. I am making medium size tikkis. You can also give shape with the help of shaper. tikki shaper also. So guys, here we have made our old tikki, means give shape to our tikkis. So now we are going to place our tikkis into refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes that these get set up. So for that we are going to make our celery. For that we want a bowl of maida. First of all, we will add only half cup of maida, and we are going to add this 1/4 cup of corn flour. So we are going to make this slurry. Put water. Mix it that there will be no lumps. In this slurry we will add 1/4 tablespoon of salt and a pinch of red chili powder only. Only these two things we will add and mix it well. There is a technique to check the consistency. So that is consistency will available that if spoon is dipping well and it will coat the spoon. That is the best consistency. So we will now coat our old tikkis. So just give shape. Dip this. Use only and only one hand to coat, and then put into this. With the help of spoon, coat all the tikki. So you can see our tikki is coat best. Yes. So like this only we will coat our old tikkis. Going to deep fry these tikkis. Put this tikki. Fry only one at a time. Fry till these tikkis get golden brownish color. You can see how golden color is came. So fry all the tikkis till golden brown color. Now we are going to make a burger. For that we need a cup of sweet corns, Szechuan sauce, or you can also take pizza sauce, 1 tomato finely chopped, 2 onions finely chopped. Now we are going to make our sauce. For that take a bowl. Now put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1, 2. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix it well. You can see our sauce is ready. Place it here. Now take another big bowl, add sweet corns, onions, tomatoes. Now add mayonnaise, mix. You can also add cucumber and green chilies in this batter. Now add 1/4 tablespoons of garam masala, a pinch of red chili powder, and half tablespoon of salt. Now mix it well. Now burger filling is ready. Now take a burger buns, one side put this mayonnaise and ketchup mix. And on other side put this Szechuan chili sauce. This sauce is too spicy, so put in little quantity only. Now add our tikkis that we have made. On another side put this filling. Today we are going to make this burger in griller. So put these burgers into grillers and off this griller. Now burger is ready to eat. See. Thanks for watching my video.